Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to set up iMessage. All right, so to make the process smooth, make sure that you are currently connected to a Wi-Fi or mobile data. And then once done, go ahead over to settings right here and find the search bar and just type down date and time or just date. Okay, tap on date and time and make sure that this one is set automatically. Enable this feature, and then once that's done, go ahead and go back to settings. Right here, now scroll all the way down, tap on apps. Once that's done, find messages, tap on it. And then in here, you should be able to see iMessage, okay? If this one is already enabled, well, just wait for the next step. If this is disabled, enable it, and then just wait for it. Now, if this is your first time, you'll be able to see send and receive, no addresses. So what you can do basically is just tap on it. Okay, when you tap on it, you might be prompted to use an Apple ID for iMessage. So just log in with your Apple ID. As you can see here under send and receive, I do have 3 addresses. I'm just going to open it up right here real quick. Now, as you can see, I have my phone number, I have my email, as well as my iCloud tagged in this section. So you may have to type it down manually right here if your iCloud or Apple account doesn't have these contact methods. So again, when you go ahead and go back to the section, if this says activating or waiting for activation or any other errors, just basically wait for it if this is your first time, all right? As Apple right here will go ahead and contact the carrier to enable iMessage feature for your specific SIM card. And that is why Wi-Fi or mobile data needs to be active at the correct date and time. And that is how you set up iMessage. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.